How to set up automatic Citi credit card payments. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss on how to set up automatic payments for your Citi credit card. First of all, it's about why you should set up automatic payments. It's simple. Making late payments can hurt your credit card score, and by automating your payments, you can avoid late fees and negative marks on your credit report. So setting this up is straightforward and can be done in the Citi app or Citi website as well. First of all, if you're using the Citi Online, you just have to go ahead and log into your Citi Online account, then click on Payments and Transfers. From the left menu, select Manage Scheduled Transfer and choose Add or Manage Direct Debit. Click on Add New Easy Pay and follow the instructions. Talking about using the Citi mobile app, you have to first log into your account and then select Payments and then Autopay. Enter your Citi mobile token unlock code and tap on New Autopay and provide your account number as well and fill in the autopay details. Verify the entire information and tap on Confirm. You can also decide how many payments you want to make each month. I prefer to make one payment, but you can opt for two equal payments. Then you will see your payment due date and a confirmation on the screen summarizing your setup, the payment amount, frequency, and the date the payment will be withdrawn from your bank account. And finally, you will receive a confirmation screen indicating when your automatic payment will start. And that's it. Setting up automatic payments for your Citi credit card is easy, so I hope you found this video helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.